Hello, good morning. It's been quite some time since we had a moment like this together. It's been quite some time since I made videos, and I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are cool. I hope COVID-19 is not biting too hard on you guys. And I am certain you are doing well. Well, today I'm just going to make a short video on something that I consider quite intriguing and interesting in our present times. A lot of people have issues with directing people from one location to another. Some people have issues with directing people on how to move from one location to another. So I decided to make this video because almost every person, almost everybody has an Android or other advanced phones in this time. So we have solutions, several solutions to have people move from one location to another, where you don't need to start calling and do all endless calls on phone direct to the person to go from one place to another. And sometimes you have confusion. You go back, you go front, you go left, you go right. Something intriguing happened today, and we were just by the spot of where we're actually going, and the person started telling us all kinds of things: go forward, go backward, come here, go there. And we only ended up moving round and round and wasted so much time today. So I said I would just make this video and share it with you guys to see how to easily direct someone to a location, and the location will be pinpointed. And you could use this by WhatsApp by Facebook. WhatsApp has a very, 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 very straightforward option as to how to direct people. Now, quickly, when you want to direct someone from one place to another to make it easy for them, I'm sorry, I'm going to use some names, some real names. So these are the names of my friends on my contacts on WhatsApp. So I will just choose one. Okay, let me use my own queen, and that would be my wife. So I assume now I am in a place called Rumokuta, Seventh-day Adventist Church Rumokuta, here in Port Harcourt, River State, and I want to direct someone from maybe somewhere in Nigeria or even within Port Harcourt, and I want the person to come here on the exact location. He has to drive down here or know how to move from where he is to where I am. It is very simple. It saves you all the stress of, hey, hello, where are you now? Take the next turn. No, move the next right. You cannot do more, or you cannot do better than Google. So this is what you do. It's very simple. For instance, my wife is where she is, and I want to bring her down to where I am now. Just enter the chat. Basic is very simple. Now, there is an attach button, which is what I will activate now, and you see it. The attach button is at the top right corner. I'm sorry, I'll take that again. The bottom right corner of the WhatsApp page in that person's chat. And if you count 1, 2, 3 icons to the right, the first icon is the attach button. So you will just activate that button, and you see options like documents, audio, contact, camera, room, chat room, if I may, gallery, and location. So you can share either of these items to that particular person you want or you are on a current chat with. So what do? You go to location. Now, when you activate the location button, it's going to give you an option that your GPS is disabled. Your GPS is always located at the drop-down menu on your phone. Now, for Android phones, I don't know for other phones, but for Android phones, when you drop down the menu, location button has its name. It's actually there. The icon should be activated. Now, when you activate that icon, you take it back to WhatsApp and you press OK. Now, you will see two options: share live location. When you share live location, is usually what comes up. When you share live location, you are telling the person that you are on the move, and you will share the location with the person. As you move, the person locates you wherever you are. Maybe you are somewhere in a shopping mall or in a very big market, okay? And you want the person to follow you as you move, so you guys don't miss yourselves. You do the share live location. It tracks you live. As you move, the person sees the cursor on the Google map and places you where you are. It's very easy. But what you need for the purpose of this video, is share your current location. Now, when you share your current location, it points you to the exact place you are, where the person will locate you. That means you are moving from one place to another. So you use the share current location option, and it's easy. Now this is what you do. You send your current location to the chat. Now this is how it appears. So when this is done, all the person just needs to do is to click on that location, and it takes him straight to Google Map. And all he needs to do, for instance, I click on this, it takes me straight to Google Map. If I want to do a Bolt, I want to do a Bolt or an Uber, I will just use that on my Bolt or Uber, and it takes me directly to where I want the person to take me to, or where I want her to locate me. So now, in this case, we'll just use our map. Now, using the map, the particular location you have shared with that person will appear on the map as coordinates. Sometimes names, but if the names are not seen, like what you see, the numbers 4.88, 4.88198 north, and you know all those plans. I'm not a geographer, so I can't really go deep into those balance now. So for now, this is what you do. Now, by the time you say start, it takes you exactly where I am. So when you use the start, the person I've sent this direction or this location to clicks on start, and it takes the person directly where I am. And that way, you have shared your location, and it's very easy for the person to locate you. That easy. So I hope this video has helped some people who like making bogus and long, vague phone calls on how they should be located to where they are. And it will be very, very useful for you when you're moving from one place to another, trying to locate people. Just tell the person on the other end to share their location. You can share this video with them, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until I see you in the next video, I say have a blessed one.